Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette King of the Hill Z06 3LZ Z07. Wow. Beautiful Arctic White with the black accents. Of course, the quadruport exhaust with the beautiful dampers that open and close so that you can adjust the exhaust to stealth or track from one to the other. It's got the stage 3 spoiler kit on the back there. It's got the cargo net and the cargo area cover. You've got the exposed carbon fiber roof with body colored sides. And under here are the larger front wings, so the stage 3 front wings to go on the front fenders there. So they're the larger ones. I'll show you where they go in a sec. It's got the competition seats, as you can see, with the carbon fiber on the back and the front. And let me close this. It's got soft close, so it closes itself. It's got the black pack, so black logos, as you can see there. Giant fenders at the side to house those ginormous wheels, 335/25/20s. It's got yellow painted calipers and the yellow rimmed wheels, so the yellow line wheels. It's got carbon ceramic brakes, as you can see there. Giant size rotors, and they're carbon ceramic, so they'll last a lifetime. And it says right there, Brembo carbon ceramic. So on the inside, you've got the yellow baseball stitching to match those yellow calipers on the competition seats that you see here, which have the carbon fiber right there. The nice baseball stitching in yellow, the high bolsters to keep you in your seat when going around fast corners. And have a look here, the same baseball stitching on the door. Have a look in the door frames there as I just check here. And yes, there are books all right there, and the gas filler also right there. So everything that you need is with the car there. We'll close that and just scan around. That's the full leather dash in a 3LZ with the Alcantara here. The headliner on the roof is the quilted stitching on it, so it is beautiful. It's got the Bose 10-speaker sound system, side airbags, all the goodies on this car. Okay, so closes nicely. There's your exposed carbon fiber side skirts, matching the exposed carbon fiber on the roof, hood, and front lip. So this is where you would put the taller stage 3 aero pack on the front if you'd like. Have a look at the front wheel here, no curb rash, no issues, just fantastic. Yellow painted calipers, nice carbon ceramic rotors, the yellow line wheels. Under the hood is the LT4, 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque, pushing that 8-speed automatic. It's got the Z06 hood liner that you see there. And let me close this now and show you that. This one has the carbon fiber exposed hood, as well as the shark gray inserts instead of the black. And then it has the shark gray inserts on this panel as well, and the shark gray on this air inlet over here. So really well optioned, a beautiful car, well ordered. It's got the exposed carbon fiber front lip, which is in great shape, as you can see, no damage there. I don't see any stone chips or issues here at all. Looks in fantastic condition, as you can see for yourself. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Again, the painted rotors, the painted calipers, the yellow line wheels, and the carbon ceramic brakes. That's a lot of mouthful. And then the same on the back rim over here. It's currently got the Coupe 2s on it. Other tires are available. I have a set of chrome rims if you would prefer chrome to the black. So here is the driver's door with the nice baseball stitching. You've got the driver memory package, power windows, power locks. You've got power mirrors over here, heads-up display, and a exposed carbon fiber interior package, which gives you that and the dash, as you see there, and the same on the seats there. So the seats are in fantastic condition. Let me just scan that for you and show you. No issues, just awesome. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Nice, what a rumble. So 7,807 kilometers only. Full of gas, and we'll give it a fresh oil change if it doesn't have one already. So awesome. Let's just check info. Just showing It's at 32%, so we'll probably change the oil. It's just going out for safety today. There's the factory navigation. I love that sound, that's just too cool. Factory navigation, the drop-down screen with the USB port in the back, fully automatic air conditioning, heated and cooled seats. It's got the 8-speed automatic with the baseball stitching there. Here's your mode selector here. If I go here and go to settings here and go to driving mode, engine sound management, we can turn that off so that it's barely noticeable. Or you can turn it to tour or sport or track. So a lot of fun here. You can also change the steering feel from tour to sport to track. We'll just flip that back and go back here to show you that it does have PDR, performance data recorder. It's got Apple CarPlay, factory navigation right there, all the goodies. So let me just pull this down and show you the nice little Z06 supercharged 650 right there. Air conditioning blowing nice and cold, working beautifully. Cup holder in here, power outlet in here, and then in here is your console with USB line in and power outlet right there. It even has yellow paddle shifters, so very cool. That's your cruise control, the steering wheel controls for the dash are right there, the volume controls and the station controls over there. Your heads-up display operates right here, so I can just put it up and down right there to show you that it's operating, working beautifully. And then you have different pages that you can change the info, change the settings, and then make it brighter or dimmer right there. It's got the frameless mirror with the OnStar in it, and the Alcantara headliner and visor vanity mirrors, and then the full leather dash. That is so sweet. Look at that. Wow, that is a lot of car, man. Have a look in the door as I'm getting out. Have a look at the seats there. Great looking machine. That's pretty much all the options I could think you could order on a Z06, Z07, 3LZ, carbon fiber exposed everywhere. It's even got deep tinted glass, but listen to that rumble. That's awesome. The stage 3 wicker ball spoiler, the wider skirts on the sides, the extra wide skirts on the front. Wow. There it is, folks. That's 2019 Z06, Z07, 3LZ, 7,800 kilometers here and available at monroemotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at that one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.